Mastering Adverbs, Comparative and Superlative Forms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to tackle a fascinating topic that can help you take your English to the next level. Adverbs in comparative and superlative forms. By the end of this video, you should feel confident using these forms to make your English sound more fluent and natural. Before we dive into the heart of the matter, let's do a quick recap. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, providing more information about how, when, where, or to what extent an action is performed. For example, in the sentence, "He runs quickly," the word quickly is an adverb that describes how he runs. Now, let's discuss the comparative form of adverbs. The comparative form is used when you are comparing the actions of two things or people. Most adverbs form the comparative by adding "er" or using the word more. For example, quickly becomes more quickly, early becomes earlier. Example sentence: "He runs more quickly than I do," or "She arrived earlier than we did." Next, we'll explore the superlative form of adverbs. The superlative form is used when you are comparing the actions of more than two things or people. Most adverbs form the superlative by adding est or using the word most. For example, quickly becomes most quickly, early becomes earliest. Example sentence: "He runs the most quickly of all the runners," or "She arrived the earliest of all the guests." As with any rule in English, there are exceptions. Some adverbs have irregular comparative and superlative forms. Two common examples are well and badly. Well changes to better in the comparative form and best in the superlative form. Badly changes to worse and worst. Example sentence: "She sings better than I do," or "He behaved the worst of all the students." And there you have it, a brief guide to using adverbs in their comparative and superlative forms. Remember, practice is key, so try using these forms in your daily conversations. It may seem challenging at first, but over time, it will become second nature. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!